All right, today we're going to look at multiplying binomials using the FOIL method. It's an acronym, and I'm going to show you what that FOIL acronym represents. The F is for first. So when we're talking about first, we're talking about the two terms here. So we're talking about A times C. The O is for outer. So we're talking about these two guys. So this would be A times D. Then, for inner, we're talking about these right here. So this would be B times C. And then last but not least, we're talking about last, which would be B times D. So these are all the combinations that we can get to multiply each of these values together. So let's look at what we have here. So if we're going to do FOIL, we're going to do the first two pairs first. So we're going to do 2x times x. Then we're going to do the outer, which would be 2x times 5, and they're both positive, so we'll put a plus sign there. Then for the next one, we're going to do the two inner, so then we'll do 1 times x, and then we'll do the two last ones. This will be 1 times 5. This is a long way to do it. I normally don't stretch it out like this, but what we can do is start to simplify. So 2x times x becomes 2x squared. 2x times 5 becomes plus 10x. 1 times x becomes x. And then last but not least, plus 5. Now, if you notice, we have like terms in the middle here. So to simplify this, this will become 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. So this right here is simplified. All right, let's continue here. So we'll do first, which would be negative x times 2x, which is negative 2x squared. Then we'll do the outer 2, so a negative x times a negative 1 will be just plus x. Then inner would be plus 4x, and then last would be minus 2. Again, I have those like terms smack dab in the middle here. So negative 2x squared stays that, plus 5x minus 2. Okay. All right, let's continue on. First would be negative 4x times x, so this would be negative 4x squared. Outer would be plus 20x. Plus 7x minus 35. Again, we have those two middle terms that can be combined together. So we have negative 4x squared plus 27x minus 35. Once again, we have it simplified and in standard form. Okay, this time I'm not going to draw the arrows, I'm just going to do the multiplication. So 2x times x would be 2x squared. Plus 6x minus 6x minus 18. So if you notice, these two middle terms cancel out, so we have 2x squared minus 18.